Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to play not a new game. We're gonna play Floodskate 2, and I have some great news. Remember that time I told you yesterday that I have a new account, Charlottegummybear? Well, here we are. We have our gummy bear account. It's a gummy bear account. It looks so cool. And you are gonna see one of the things that doing here. Well, that's what I said. But yeah, we're gonna have fun. Yeah, I'm gonna mostly be in here, and then also I have some other great news. I'm gonna make that's that. I'm gonna make a new account for a YouTube account. Because I mean, she looks adorable or something.
Who's Alice?
The dog. Yeah, the beautifulest dog in the world. She's so adorable. And this is how I look like. I'm barely gonna be like this. Well, I'm mostly gonna be like this, but I'm barely gonna be skinny. What? I just messed around again. No. As you can see, I'm on level 14. No, level 4. And I'm a noob. So yeah, I already know how to play this game. So yeah, even insanes. I've been trying to tell people they're like, I don't care. And yeah, Mr. Awesome. So yeah, we're gonna wait. Oh my god. I already know how to play this game. GG. Yeah. Also tomorrow. Wait. Also, I have some other great news. Two, actually. We're gonna be playing. I'm actually itchy. We're gonna be more playing some other video games actually instead of playing Roblox. Yeah, what it can be? Minecraft. Other games that you be interested. There may be 4 people like Jade, Isabel, and Adrian. Yeah.
What other games?
Well, other games. Well, I'm thinking like now like more comeback. It's too negative. So no. So yeah. Like even look at him. He looks like a Mortal Kombat person. Wait, look him right here. Oh, right there. It looks like a Mortal Kombat person. We're gonna wait a long time for years. I'm actually gonna go here. It's quiet now. Every time when I make a video, it's always quiet sometimes. Oh no, are you serious? If I fall, I go over there and that's it. Actually, I'm gonna skip over there. Wait, what button did I miss? Are you serious? You gotta be kidding me. No! Oh man. How about we? No, we can't because we gotta get the button over there. That really sucks. No, we gotta die. Cause, yeah, we gotta die here. Cause we didn't get the button. Because if we didn't get the button, God died. Why is it green up here? Yeah. So we're gonna play all more normal games, and then yeah. I got to get the button. Okay, it's been pressed. That my guy is gonna get it. I wanna get it. I haven't even got buttons yet. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna get the next one. People are like rushing and I can't rush. So I gotta be slow and steady. Also, you see, I gotta go. I'll show you when I don't know. I'm talking like I'm mumbling. No! I did. This, if you see my new toy, This story. It's so beautiful. It's cheap for you guys. So yeah. It'll be pretty fun. And guys, also in the other live stream that we made yesterday, make sure to subscribe to our channel. It's only 3 of us, only Minecraft, that's it. Just Minecraft. And also subscribe to that is the dog. So we can make more subscribers. Yeah. It's gonna be fun. So yeah. I really if you guys wanna friend me and then if I don't have a max, you could just maybe subscribe to me or follow me, and maybe I will do something. I don't know. I'll follow you back. Come on, who's gonna get a button? Serious? Get a button. Fine, and we get it. Okay, there we go. Hurry, you're gonna die! Oh my god. Girl, get it. Okay, let's go. No! Oh my god, I'm mad at this. I haven't played this in a while. I thought that girl with the brown hair, I thought she would die, but she didn't. Look at her. Her name is Pixel Crystal Red. So she's a bristle. Let me in. Also, we're gonna play some simulators, tycoons, other games like in Roblox. Yeah, cause I can't. My account's gonna be a little different cause I have like the PlayStation and Xbox and Nintendo. So we might play the So we might play the what's it called again? I don't know. I forgot. I don't know what it's called. It's Mario Kart. Yeah, Mario Kart. Yeah, we might play that too. Or maybe we might play 2 games. Yeah, it might be fun. We might chill. So yeah, my schedule is gonna change a little bit, but I'm better than everyone here. Shut up, we don't care.
Who said that?
A person.
Aww.
We don't care. You all play bad players.
Oh my.
Well, I don't care. I'm a noob. I don't care. I'll get Roblox soon. No, I'm really base club. I'm better than your tryhands. Okay, let's just ignore him. Yeah, let's ignore. Yeah, he's an idiot. He's a button. I don't want to say that. You know what I mean? It's sassy. Okay, I don't know. So yeah. So yeah. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Yeah, this close is. You guys like them. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I know it was so fast because it's nighttime and we can't be making videos at nighttime. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me comment, subscribe, and bye.